This is a full roll of memory foam that goes up under bass boat carpet. And this is a full roll of gunmetal gray, marine grade bass boat carpet. And today we're gonna strip down the trailer, get rid of that crossbar, and get all this installed. Stick around. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name's TJ. Welcome to Kayak USA. This week we're gonna continue the build. I think this is like episode 11 maybe on the kayak camping trailer build. Today we're gonna install all of the carpet. I've already got all of the painting done. I got all that done off camera so we wouldn't have to wait on it to dry. I just went and put a good coat of paint around the inside of the trailer. That way we don't have to go back and paint once the carpet's down and get stuff all over the carpet. But today's main goal in this video is we're gonna strip this thing down, clean the floor really well, and then we're gonna install this memory foam pad so that we got a real soft, if we wanna hang out on the trailer when we're camping, we want a real soft cushion walkway, carpeted area. And then we're gonna install the gunmetal gray, I think that's a 24-ounce gunmetal gray bass boat carpet. This is from bassboatseats.com. I use them to install bass boat carpet all the time in many boats. I've restored lots of bass boats, and they sent this to me a while back for a project. I've got a lot of it left over, so we're gonna use it on this trailer, and possibly the next trailer that we're working on is that single Hobie trailer kind of behind you guys off camera. But I'm just gonna set the camera up and start stripping this stuff down. We're gonna try to get all this installed today in one video. It shouldn't take too long once we cut that crossbar out, so let's get straight into it today. All right, check it out. The carpet is laid. Let me turn the camera around real quick and I'm gonna go over a few things that I might add to it in a little bit, but it turned out amazing. Y'all check this out. Looks great. Everything's painted really good on the inside now. And what I did was you see me staple all the way around the edges. I didn't add any glue. I didn't add any staples to the middle because I got more plans to add stuff later and I don't want the glue to be a problem later on. I don't think we're gonna have any issues. I do think I'm gonna come back over the edges here. You can see my staples running all the way down the edge of the trailer. I think I'm gonna come back with some like 1/4-inch aluminum and go over top of the staples and the carpet and put a few screws on top and just run it and kind of trim the whole inside in aluminum. It'll help keep the carpet down. The padding is amazing, guys. I mean, you could actually sleep on this if you wanted to. It's really soft. Here's the diamond plate that I added. It's just, it is thick. Now that's I think it's a 1/8 inch diamond plate. I got it at a local shop down the road. I just kind of stopped and asked if they had any scrap diamond plate, and they bent it up for me, cut it, and it looks really good on there. I'll show you the whole trailer. And now we can get back to putting everything back on. I'm gonna put the tent back on. We're gonna put the awning back on. I got big plans for a pop-out shower on the side. Oh, I don't think I went over this yet. Check that out. I got a company on Amazon to make it. It actually shipped from China. It took like a month and a half for me to get it, but it's a really cool cover for my spare tire. Had them put my logo on it. Turned out really nice. It's gonna go good once we get those new rims and tires put on. So I keep getting comments sent to me on, they're asking, TJ, why in the heck are you putting carpet and padding on the kayak camping trailer? And it's gonna provide a lot of things. It's gonna keep us from scratching up our gear, and it's gonna help us, have a cool area to hang out on. It's padded. If the ground's wet when we're camping, we can kind of hang out up here on the carpet area. But long story short, I had the carpet, I had the padding, it was rolled up in the basement, and I wanted to use it on the camping trailer. So now we got a nice looking, and to me, it looks 10 times better with this carpet on here, and I love it. This trailer is turning out to be something that I'm gonna have for a long time. We're gonna get a lot of fun use out of this thing. If you're new here and you haven't seen any of the build up until this point, I'll put a link right in here or right in here somewhere you can catch up on the full playlist up to this point anyway. But I've got a long way to go with this thing. We're gonna be adding a shower, lights, power. I've got the material here to add the fold down table that I've been talking about. We're gonna add the rims, tires, all kind of cool stuff. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click that bell so you get notified. I do upload every Thursday at 2 p.m. Central Time. So look for these videos every Thursday, and I'll catch you next week. Peace.